Welcome to readtheticker.com. Let's have a look inside readtheticker.com. First, we must log on. You can log on with your email address and password. After logging on, the first page you will see is the Members Workgroups page. Here you see the members information, the news box, and your list of groups. Before we get into the groups, let's have a look at the Icon Manager via the Icon Manager link. The Icon Manager manages the icons that appear in the analysis chart. Here you can add and remove icons from your working list. You also have the ability to edit the icon tooltip. Let's go back to the groups. Back at the groups area, you can add a new group. Each group contains your charting and comment objects. So let's have a look. This is the group properties: the title, description, classification, and whether you want a portfolio or not. Let's add some displays to our group. There are 5 types of displays: analysis, point and figure, performance, comparison, and comment. Let's go ahead. Description area is optional. Compulsory is the symbol and the type of chart or display object. Here are detailed instructions of how to manage your group. There is a symbol reference to see what's available. For more complicated symbols provided by readtheticker.com, click here. Here are the more sophisticated symbols available. Well, let's go back. Right. We have now created 5 displays. A comment display, which can be used to publish text, embed videos, embed images, just like you would do on a blog posting. The next 4 displays are comparison, performance, point and figure, analysis. These are all charting displays. So let's have a look. The analysis chart we see here is the complex charting of display. This is where you'll do all your Wyckoff, Gann, and Hurst studies, and of course your generic moving averages, MACDs, Bollinger Bands, and what have you. You can add objects from the control box down below. Some more sophisticated tools can be found on these links here. To find the next object, or display I should say, we'll go up here to get this one, Google, which is the comparison one. Comparison chart. Here we can load in 4 symbols and compare them. We got Google, let's type in Apple. Maybe we type in SPY as a ratio of gold. Change around the colours. Change the type. See what happens. Here we have our comparisons. The performance chart. Here's a percentage change indexes created by the symbol. So here we are counting the percentage change from this point to this point. Put some more in. There you go. Performance analysis. Point and figure. Down below we can add trend lines, 45-degree lines, channels, and we put symbols in with tooltips. We can add volumes, Bollinger Bands, let's have a look at the comment display. Right. This is just like making a blog posting. You can write some text about the symbol you're studying, insert an image, embed a YouTube video, embed a document from Scribe, embed a PowerPoint presentation. The embedding tool is via this object. Just like a typical blog entry. That is the end of a simple inside look of readtheticket.com. Thank you very much for watching.